My name is David Kavanagh. I'm a mechanical engineering major. I'm currently a senior too. Growing up, my dad was an engineer, and although I didn't really know what that encompassed, I always looked up to him for that. Going through school, I always excelled in math, science, and eventually physics courses as I got older. So it made a lot of sense for me to go into the engineering field because of that. Coming into Kettering, I had no clue what professional life would be like. Thankfully, I met some very good people here and became a part of some other groups that pushed me to get more out of myself. One achievement I'm very proud of has been becoming the president of Sigma Chi. I've spent my entire time on campus building myself to be a better character. I've been building my leadership experience by putting myself in those scenarios. I've been focusing and doing everything I could in school and everything related to all of my clubs. When my peers recognized me as a leader like that, it felt very good and a great accomplishment because all that work I've been putting into myself has been paying its dividends in growing my character. When it comes to my future plans, I want to find myself in a role where I will have a lot of impact and be able to, in my eyes, have a net positive on society in some way.